What are they? Of course. What? Let's go this way. Oh, that's so cool. Right in between. Oh, how cool is that? Here's Mater. What do you think?
Oh, looks good.
Oh, that's like a little roll around tool cart.
It's a toolbox. Okay. I can show you something. There's another one right there.
Oh yeah.
There's some big ones over here.
Oh, that's so cool, that diamond plate.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, it's like a real
It's
cool
a big
map.
toolbox.
So
And
cool.
here's a pillow.
Oh yeah, the extra stuff.
It's like car seats in a car.
That comes out into a double bed.
And you see the hidden Mickey?
There's a hidden Mickey?
Yeah,
Show me.
Where?
right there.
Oh,
Good eye.
that's awesome.
I know. There's a TV, there's fingers.
Great theming.
Some nice bathroom.
Spiffy and a jiffy.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. It's definitely, if you like cars.
Wait, can I use this?
We are staying in Art of Animation, Building 2, Cars. And this is a family suite. It is huge. And has awesome theming. Take a look at the bathroom. Tub, shower, pretty standard. Looks nice. Nice little bathroom. Great theming. And here's our kitchenette area. With the diamond plate. You got a mini fridge. Coffee maker, microwave, plates, bowls, forks, spoons, knives, and this is an awesome couch. Looks like a car seat. That'll be your fold out. Turn into a bed. A map. Looks like another toolbox. Store your stuff. Nice little coat rack area. Pillow and blankets. This is a Murphy bed. I'll pull out for you. Here we are with the Murphy bed. Has some lights, and check out that wallpaper. That is great. I don't know if it'll show up on the video, but it really looks lit up well. It's pretty awesome. Here is the bedroom with its own door, separate bedroom. Again, great theming. It's got the safety cone lamps, traffic cones, some postcards. Another TV. There's your in-the-wall safe, ironing board, iron, coat rack. And this is a really nice bathroom. Similar theming and the walk-in shower. This is great. Towel racks. Again, like you see at other resorts, the higher bed so you can put your luggage under there, save some space. Although you probably don't have to do it here. This is plenty spacious. Again, this is a family suite. It's going to sleep quite a few people. It has excellent theming. Along with the outside theming, it's just amazing. Again, plenty of space. If you have a large family or two small families, or relatives that want to stay with you, this is an excellent option. That's what we're doing. Movie night.
I'll get it, buddy. Go. Yeah!